Hey there, Python enthusiasts! Welcome to my channel, your one-stop destination for mastering Python programming from scratch. Today, we're kicking off our Python tutorial series for absolute beginners. Whether you're brand new to coding or just new to Python, you're in the right place. So, what exactly is Python? Python is a versatile and powerful programming language that's used in everything from web development and data analysis to artificial intelligence and automation. It's known for being easy to read and learn, making it perfect for beginners. Before we dive into coding, we need to make sure Python is installed on your computer. If it is not then, don't worry, it's super simple. Head over to Google Colab on the Google. I'll walk you through the process. Google Colab, or Collaboratory, is a free online platform that allows you to write and execute Python code in your browser. It's perfect for beginners and pros alike because you don't need to install anything, and it comes preloaded with tons of useful libraries. Let me show you how to get started with Google Colab. First, open your browser and go to Google. Then, search for Google Colab or Google Colab Python. Click on the first link that appears. It should take you directly to the Google Colab homepage. Once you're on the Google Colab homepage, create a new Python notebook by clicking on the New Notebook. On the bottom left corner on the dialog box, you will be directed to New Notebook. Your new notebook is now ready. You can start coding right away. We will write our first program that will print "Hello World" on the screen. And that wraps up today's tutorial. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're feeling more confident in your Python journey. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep learning, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. We've got a lot more exciting content coming your way, from mastering Python basics to tackling advanced projects. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep coding, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.